Hello, friends. Welcome to English Uncaged. I am Sam, your English teacher and coach. Today we talk about speaking English with confidence. Even if you just started, you can speak English. Speaking English is not about being perfect. You do not need to know all words. You only need courage and small steps. Step by step, you will get better. Let's start today. First, learn simple words. Say hello or good morning. Repeat them slowly. Try saying them in front of a mirror. This is a safe space to practice. You are doing great already. Then speak one sentence. For example, I like tea. Say it slowly. Then repeat it 2 or 3 times. You will feel proud of yourself. Every small success counts. Speak every day. Even one sentence is enough. You can say, I am happy or I am tired. Speak slowly. Daily practice builds confidence. Your brain remembers words faster when repeated. Listen to English every day. Watch short videos or listen to simple songs. Repeat the words after the speaker. This will improve your confidence. Start with one word or one line. Add another line the next day. Speak slowly. Do not hurry. Take your time to say each word. Every word you say is a victory. Confidence grows step by step. You are improving every day. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Each mistake helps you learn. Smile while speaking. Mistakes are normal and helpful. Keep practicing without fear. Take small steps. Speak one sentence first. Then try 2 sentences. Then 3 sentences slowly. Add one more sentence every day. This builds confidence naturally. Imagine yourself in 1 month. You can say many words. You can speak simple sentences. You feel proud. You practiced daily and it worked. This is your reward for hard work. Practice with friends. Ask simple questions. How are you? Answer in English. Even one sentence is a big success. Each time you speak, your confidence grows. Enjoy every moment. Write simple sentences too. Reading and writing help your speaking. Try one sentence every day. Celebrate every small success. Little steps lead to big results. You are doing amazing. Fun activities help learning. Play word games. Match words with pictures. Learn 5 to 10 words daily. Small fun steps build big skills. Enjoy every activity. Take breaks when needed. Little rests help your brain. Drink water, stretch, then speak again. Every practice session is useful. Step by step, you become confident. Speak in front of a mirror. Try one sentence slowly. You woke with. Watch your mouth move. This makes you more confident. Little steps every day help a lot. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Each word, each sentence. Repetition builds confidence. Your brain remembers better. Every day, you improve. Keep going. Use simple phrases daily. I am happy. I like tea. Good morning. Short phrases are enough. Step by step, you speak more. Do not hurry. Take your time. Enjoy every small step. Smile when speaking. Confidence grows slowly. Each day is progress. You are doing great. Believe in yourself. Little steps make you strong. You can speak English well. Keep practicing every day. Remember, speak a little every day. Smile, enjoy, and be proud. Small steps make big change. You can do this. Try one more sentence now. Today, pick 3 words. Repeat them slowly. Say them aloud. Smile when you say them. This is your first step. You are learning every day. Practice every morning. Even 5 minutes is enough. Say one sentence in English. Then add another one in the evening. Little by little, you grow. Your brain is learning. Use your favorite words. Words you like make speaking easier. Try to make one sentence with your words. Smile while saying it. Enjoy every word. This is how confidence grows. Listen to short stories. Repeat one sentence after the speaker. Try to say it slowly. Even if one word is different, it's okay. Keep practicing. You are improving. This is Sam from English Uncaged. Keep speaking slowly every day. Little steps will make you confident. See you next time. Goodbye.